Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on Atlantic Avenue actually to check out the new, what's it called? The Save a Lot food store. The first grocery store in Atlantic City in a long time. Let's check it out.
Yep, today we're doing something a little bit different but super important for Atlantic City. We're taking a walk around and through the newly upgraded Save a Lot market here in Atlantic City. Now, this isn't just a grocery store story, this is a community story, a story about revitalization, food access, investment, and what it means for the people who live, work, and survive right here in this historic city. We'll talk about the massive renovation, what's changing, the plan behind the scenes, and why Atlantic City officials are treating this project like a big win for local residents. And of course, I'll keep it light, fun, and very New York. And stay tuned, because after the supermarket part of this video, we're going to kick off the holiday season here in Atlantic City on the New York channel. I've been to tons of places already. I'll show you a couple things behind the scenes at the end of this video, and we'll kick off the holiday season. Lots of stuff coming now through the end of the year, not only here in Atlantic City, but on my other two channels as well, Jersey Jeff Eats and Jersey Shore Jeff. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and we'll take a look at what's going on as far as how the casinos and hotels are decorated so far. And as always, if you're digging the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? Give the video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. And if you'd like to support the New York channel, why not become a member? Membership has its perks. I'll leave a link right in the upper right hand corner here. You can become a member instantly. And one of those perks is exclusive videos, and some of the New York members already had seen the Candy Cane Lounge, the very first holiday video here on the New York channel over at Resorts Hotel and Casino. Again, if you'd like to support the channel, become a member. I appreciate your support, guys. And a shout out to Santino Martinez, the newest New York member. Thanks so much for signing up, Santino. I do appreciate your support. Atlantic City has been working hard to bring more full-service grocery options to this part of town. Big portions of Atlantic City are considered food deserts. Restaurants are everywhere, casinos are everywhere, but a place to buy fresh produce or fresh meat, that's a different story. Save-A-Lot's always been here, but on the smaller, more basic side. Cheaper groceries, limited selection, but that's all changing. Big investment, big expansion, and a long-term partnership to keep this store running for decades. The Casino Reinvestment Development Authority, otherwise known as the CRDA, has stepped in with a long-term lease agreement with Moran Foods, who operates Save a Lot. They're putting nearly $20 million into the renovation, not just of the store, but of the whole plaza. Sidewalks, lighting, structural repairs, security cameras, store expansion, the entire works. Outside, new LED security lights, new masonry, and soon wider sidewalks and landscaping. When the facelift is fully done, Renaissance Plaza is meant to feel like a modern neighborhood hub. The days of that dark, sketchy parking lot, well, that'll be almost gone. The store is going from almost 19,000 square feet to almost 29,000 square feet. That's a huge expansion. More room for fresh produce, meats, dairy, shelf items, frozen foods, and maybe even some prepared grab-and-go options. The prices are really low here too, and that's a great thing not just for the people in the neighborhood, but if you're visiting Atlantic City, it's only 2 blocks up from the boardwalk, and well, a lot of people like to stock up, especially if they're staying for several days here in town. I know quite a bit about retail, and I know that more aisle space equals more products, more refrigeration equals more fresh options, and a better layout equals easier shopping. The CRDA and Moran Foods want to combine the best of both worlds, affordable groceries and a full-service feel, something Atlantic City has been missing. And as renovations continue, the store will remain open. I live about an hour north of Atlantic City, but while I was here, I couldn't help notice a lot of unusual items I don't see around my neighborhood, as well as some great prices on meat. These steaks look really good, and the prices were fantastic. I think next time I'm in town, I'm coming with an insulated bag. And if you follow the channel, and I know you do, you know that there's a lot of new construction going on right around this neighborhood, and this supermarket is going to have a huge impact for those people moving in. A full-service supermarket increases food security, it stabilizes neighborhoods, it brings jobs, it reduces travel time for essentials, and it boosts foot traffic for nearby businesses. And maybe, most importantly, it sends a message that Atlantic City residents deserve the same quality food access as anyone else. The CRDA's investment here is long-term. The building stays theirs, the store stays open, the community benefits. This isn't just a renovation, it's a strategy. Let's talk Atlantic City and holiday decorations now. Nope, you guys aren't seeing things. It is snowing here at the quarter at the Tropicana. And I'm not talking that, plastic artificial snow. This is real snow. It melts as soon as it hits the floor. The floor doesn't get wet. I don't know how they do it, folks, but it works. I was just at their tree lighting a couple days ago, met some nice people who know the channel, and I really had a great time. Free food, there were people walking around. It was like a party here. And I spent several days here doing some recordings of the hotels and casinos. Some of them started, some of them didn't, some of them are finished. So I got a lot done already, and I'm going to get a lot more done in the next coming week or two. By the way, if you're a business and you'd like me to stop by and record your holiday decorations for the contest, just leave me an email. The information's at the end of this video. I've also started to record some holiday videos for my other two channels, the Jersey Shore Jeff channel as well as Jersey Jeff Eats channel. The holidays are just bursting out everywhere, not only here in Atlantic City, but up and down the Jersey Shore. And of course, there's no better place to check out all the festivities than right here on the Nu Yawk channel, or at least the Nu Yawk network, with all three channels going holiday crazy right now. My best suggestion is make sure you subscribe to all three channels and clicked on those notification bells, and you won't miss a thing this holiday season. Like I said, I've already checked out a lot of the hotels and casinos. I've been to Smithville, had a great holiday dinner at Smithville. That'll be coming on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Plan on visiting the Renault Winery for the holidays. Up and down the shores, there's plenty of tours. In Ocean Grove, I know there's one of the Victorian homes. I'm sure they'll be decorated for the holiday season. And I just might make it down to Cape May. Always beautifully decorated for the holiday season as well. So stay tuned for all those festive places as well. And don't forget, guys, I'm just bringing these decorations to you. It's up to you guys to pick the winner of this year's best decorated Atlantic City establishment once that contest starts. This is the lobby bar over at the Hard Rock. I think this year more than ever, there are pop-up bars in a lot of the hotels and casinos. I think it all started years ago at resorts with Bar 1. They did their Candy Cane Lounge, and one or two casinos followed suit the next year, and now a couple more are following suit. So resorts really kicked this off, and the casinos are really enjoying themselves, really going over the top with their Christmas decorations at their main bars. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the renovations going on over at the Save-A-Lot. It's the kind of project that doesn't always get flashy headlines or flashy videos, but it makes some of the biggest differences for real people. And of course, tons of holiday videos getting in line for you guys to enjoy. So make sure you subscribe to the Nu Yawk channel, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and share the video. And of course, more holiday festivities coming to my other two channels, Jersey Jeff Eats, all about food and fun here in New Jersey, and Jersey Shore Jeff, all about boardwalks, beaches, and seaside adventures. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around the city.